What's up, you guys? This is your boy, one and only T Studio X, and I'll be doing a review video on my first fire alarm Pullstation, which I'll be doing the intro. So today I'm going to be doing a review of my first Pullstation. It's a fire alarm Pullstation, and it's a conventional Pullstation. So they usually call this the conventional manual call point. So the operating voltage is about 9 volts, 28 VDC, volts direct current. Alarm current, which is either greater than 45 milliamps, and the operating temperature is 10 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. So this is the back of the Pullstation. As you can see here, it looks similar to a BG-12 Pullstation, but wait, it's not a BG-12. It's a spin-off version of a BG-12. So I bought this off of Amazon. So I received this Pullstation on Thursday. So yeah, it looks similar to the it looks similar to the BG-12 Pullstation. I know some of the Pullstations may look different, but as you see here, where the mark is, it would usually say Firelite Alarms by Honeywell or Notifier by Honeywell. So the models I think they have for BG-12, BG-12L. I wonder what the L stands for, or the LX. The BG-12LX. Some of it's made from Notifier. And BG-12, I think N stands for Notifier. I think that's what the N stands for. NBG-12, NBG-12L, NBG-12LSP, NBG-12LS. Silent Night, PSDA. I think this is the predecessor to the BG-12. On the bottom right hand corner, it operates with a key, so it came with the key to the Pullstation. As you can see here, it has like a symbol of a house and a fire on the top right hand corner, top left hand corner, and it will say fire. In the middle, it will say push in and pull down. It will say push in and pull down. But so once it, so right now I'm gonna be opening my Pullstation. I would love to start at least a mini fire alarm system. So inside of the Pullstation, you will see the switch. When the switch is down, the alarm is activated. When the switch is up, it'll be normal. And there's the green circuitry, and there's the LED light there's the resistor, and there are 4 diodes, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and there's a loop for positive and negative. And I know red's supposed to be on the left side, and black's supposed to be on the left side. I mean, red's supposed to be on the right side, and black's supposed to be on the left side. So that's the wires to the switch. It's a non-coded Pullstation. So the model of this Pullstation, at least I know it's not a BG-12, but it looks similar to the BG-12. So it is a UHPPOTE HC102, which that's the exact model. Even when it doesn't show the exact model in the Pullstation, but in the Pullstation, it would say, it would have their model number in it. This will show the diagram. This is like the manual for the Pullstation for installation. So I'm just going to close the system up. Oh yeah, I think those are the terminals with a green circuitry. Like I said, that's the resistor, this blue thing. These black things, as you can see here, that the number, they're the diodes 1, 2, 3, and 4. And those are the terminals. There's the plus stands for positive and minus stands for negative. So I would love to start a fire alarm system, but it's going to be for a controlled environment, and it's going to be like the demonstration purposes only. So right now I'm going to pull the alarm and learn how to reset, the Pullstation, excuse me. Hope I don't run out of room. So this is the dual action, because it will say push in and pull down. But anybody, do not do this in a public building. You would get fined. You would definitely get fined for pulling fire alarms. Do not pull the fire alarms, not unless there's a fire. So, like I said, this is my very first Pullstation. But later on, I would like to get a fire alarm panel, and I'd like to get some outputs like horn strobes or something like that. So which fire alarm panel should I start with? Should I start with Addressable or a conventional? And if you want to answer you want to answer all that in the comment section, in between. So what do you want me to buy? Conventional at least I know this is the conventional Pullstation. I know this is the spin-off version of a BG-12. You mean it looks exactly like a BG-12, but I know the regular BG-12, it will have just fire on it. It will not have a house and a fire on it. And the shade of red, I think it's like a little bit lighter. So this is like the hole where the wires probably go down. let's see. So right now I'm going to pull this down. As I pulled the alarm, pulled the Pullstation down, it will say activated. But on the real BG-12 Pullstation, it will say activated, but it will have a but it will have a yellow. The activated words will be yellow. And under the Pullstation, you'll see the flag. So this is how I reset the Pullstation. I can see if I can do it with one hand. It's spring loaded. The switch goes up. And there we go. That's how I reset a Pullstation. So this is the diagram of the wiring diagram. It would show the directions and stuff like that. But I'm just gonna keep this manual. So what do you prefer? What do you think I should prefer? An addressable fire alarm panel or a conventional fire alarm panel to start up with? So, so bought this for like 21 bucks. So on this Pullstation, it would have this braille thing, as you can see here. I know this would have lines on it, as you see here. But on the real BG-12, it would have the dots on that. I know some of them has a hex key, some of them has a key. So one of these days I would like to learn how to wire stuff up. And this is your boy T Studio X signing out. Make sure to leave a genuine comment. If you like the video, if you like the Pullstation, make sure you give it a like. Make sure you hit that red button. This is like been a review of my first Pullstation, which is the UHPPOTE HC102. It will have the model number on the box as well. It says access control. Sorry, much shaky though. Can we see? So I'm going to demonstrate it again. Pull it down. I want to see the thing come up when I reset it. Switch is up when it's reset. So when the switch is down, the alarm is going off. When the switch is up and it's in the normal position, in the Pullstation. But in the real BG-12, it would have like a covering on it. I know sometimes it would have an addressable module and stuff like that. In the back of the real BG-12s, it would have those terminals in the back for the wires. So as you can see, this is spring loaded. That's what the inside of the Pullstation looked like on the inside. So thanks for watching. Make sure show love to this video. Some real love. This is your boy T Studio X signing out. Make sure you leave a genuine comment. Share out the live stream. Video. Share out the video. Yeah, make sure you share out the video. Try to get much as views and likes on here. This is your boy T Studio X signing out. Peace.